Have you ever wondered how people figure out if the crypto market is feeling scared or super excited? Well, today we're diving into something called the crypto fear and the greed index, a cool tool that tells us if investors are feeling worried or greedy. Right now, in May 2025, the index is showing more greed, meaning people are getting confident about crypto again. Stick around and I'll explain what this means for you and your crypto moves. So, what exactly is the fear and the greed index? Think of it like a mood meter on the whole crypto market. It gives a score from 0 to 100 that shows how investors are feeling. If the score is low, like between 1 and 24, it means extreme fear. People are worried and might be selling their crypto. If it's high, between 75 and 100, means extreme greed. People are super excited and buying a lot, sometimes too much. This index based mostly on Bitcoin data, but reflects the whole crypto market's mood. It looks at things like how much prices are jumping around. That's called volatility. So, how much people are buying and selling, the market momentum, what's trending on social media, and even how many people are searching for Bitcoin on Google. You might wonder, how do they come up with these single numbers? Well, the index combines six important pieces of information. If Bitcoin's prices is swinging widely, this means fear. Calm prices often mean greed. Lots of buying and high trading volume shows greed. Lower activity shows fear. If people are talking a lot about Bitcoin on Twitter, Reddit, or other platforms, that's sign of greed. Less chatter means less fear. Sometimes they ask people directly how they feel about crypto. Shares of the market goes up, it means fear because people move to safer coins. If it goes down, it means greed because people take risks on other coins. More searches for buying Bitcoin suggest greed. Search for Bitcoin's crash suggested fear. By mixing all these signals, an index gives us a clear picture of the market's emotional state. You might ask, why should you care about fear and greed in crypto? Well, emotions drive the market a lot. When people are scared, they sell quickly, sometimes at a loss, which pushes prices down. When people get greedy, they buy fast, sometimes without thinking, which can push prices way up, but also create bubbles that might burst later. For example, in 2021, Bitcoin's prices soared from 30,000 to nearly 69,000 because of the greed and FOMO, fear of missing out. Many bought at high prices hoping it would keep going up, but then the market corrected and prices dropped. On the flip side, during the COVID-19 crash in 2020, the fear made Bitcoin drop from 9,000 to under 5,000 in just days. Those who sold in panic missed the big recovery and followed. So, understanding the market sentiments can help you avoid making emotional decisions like panic selling or jumping into huge bubbles. Right now, as of early May 2025, the crypto fear and greed index has moved from a neutral score around 52 to about 59 to 60, which means the market sentiment is shifting from balanced to greedy. This would mean investors are feeling more confident and optimistic about the crypto again. This shift could be because of the positive news, rising prices, or more people talking and searching about Bitcoin online. But it also means some caution is needed. When greed takes over, markets can get overheated and sometimes face sudden drops. So while it's exciting to see a growing confidence in the smarter, remember that high greed can lead to quicker corrections. Index doesn't tell you exactly when prices will go up, prices will go down, but it gives you a good hint about the market's emotional mood. Here's the practical part. How can you use the fear and greed index in your crypto journey? If the index shows extreme fear, very low numbers, it might be a good time to look for buying opportunities because prices could be low. If it shows extreme greed, very high numbers, it might be time to be cautious. Maybe consider taking profits or avoid buying at high prices. When it's in the neutral or greed zone, like now, it means the market's optimistic and could change quickly. So and keep an eye on the news and the price trends. Remember, the index is just one tool. You should look at other factors like technology behind the coins, market news, and your own risk tolerance before making decisions. The crypto fear and greed index is like a mood ring. For the crypto market, it helps us understand its investors are scared or excited, which often drives prices up or down. Right now, in May 2025, the index shows growing greed investors are feeling. Confident, but also means being careful is smart. Using this index can help you make smarter choices and avoid emotional mistakes like panic selling or chasing hype. Keep learning, stay calm, and don't let emotions control you. Crypto moves. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. For more crypto tips, and drop a comment below telling me what you think about the current crypto market move. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.